For my first entry through the doors of this place, I felt the warmth. To Māori, the wairua is warm. There's a special link amongst everybody. That's a welcoming sign. So I knew I'll be here.
It's an awesome spirit in the kindergarten here. They're really good teachers, man. Like, we love them, so. If you're looking at bringing your child here, I would suggest that you do, because everything they do here is really good for your children here.
We love imagination, we love language, nothing scripted. The children here can just evolve and be who they are. The garden is a huge part of the way that we design our curriculum. Everything is really well planned and purposeful.
Definitely love Central Kids, and my children do. That's the biggest part. Being able to trust leaving your kids behind for the day, knowing that they're safe. Yeah, they love my kids.